Hello, I'm glad to see you here, and today I'm painting a fox tattoo. It is painted with alcohol activated paints. I used two brands, Skin Illustrator and Dashbo. I'll write their names in the description down below. Today I'm painting Marius. He loves sport and he also organizes a party at his home today. So Marius can go to a training, to the swimming pool, to shower, and that paint will still stay on for a couple of days. This is actually a service that I offer to my customers. I can design a tattoo, I can paint it, and then they will see if they like the placement, if they like the size, the color, and see how they feel overall with the tattoo for a couple of days. I can see also other possibilities, it's like to scare parents that they have done a new tattoo in some crazy places, like on the face or all over the neck, or it could be a bikini for a pool party. I hope you enjoyed my tattoo design. I would appreciate if you shared it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and remember about the bell button so you can receive notification from me. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!